Hello friends, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how to share any of your posts from Instagram app to Facebook. Please, dear friends, before starting our topic, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also be sure to put your likes and please write comments. Let's get started with you and me. And if you occasionally feel like spending maybe less time or remembering to last one event and one post between all of your social networks, and you'd like to share your posts not only on Instagram but also Facebook, it's very easy to do. Please open Instagram on your device and then go to your account. Now on the top right side, click on the three bars. Then in the settings, go to Meta Account Center. Then select Share between accounts. Here, please select your Instagram account from which you would like to share posts. Next, please scroll down and you will find your Instagram posts section. Activate this option thanks to the button. Also, if you wish, you can still activate an option like Instagram Reels because they are usually posted in the same way as Instagram posts and they are visible on your feed, so you can activate them together. That's the way you can quickly and very easily share Instagram posts to Facebook. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to put likes and also, friends, subscribe to this channel. Bye everyone.